So understand that with the new building codes type of situation is that we're going to need laundry service for every unit. Now you have two options here. You can either put all the laundry service inside the unit itself, like a private laundry closet, and we usually put that beside the existing bathroom. So a lot of these buildings we're buying, they have a closet right beside the bathroom, and we'll just convert that into a laundry closet, which is pretty simple. Sometimes we have to add it beside the kitchen because there's not a closet beside the bathroom, which is not a big problem. The biggest problem is that sometimes our investors want to add a common laundry room into the building, and because they want to save on costs on all the laundry, they don't want to add 3 or 4 different laundry service for all the units. They want to have one common laundry room. And the biggest pain point here, because it's very complex, even to me, to my understanding as well, is that if you do a common laundry room, it cannot be in the way of an exit. So what I mean by that is you can't have it in the middle of the building or even beside the building near the exit route, because the theory is in case somebody's doing laundry and they leave the door open, right? When people are escaping the property, they're going to hit their heads on the door, and it's going to be an obstacle in the way of the fire route. So the city has not allowed any city. It's Ontario Building Code. They do not allow the laundry room as part anywhere near the exit route, which is tough because where else could we possibly put it? If we put it in the basement, now the basement doesn't have a dedicated exit way, and so now that's going to be an issue for building a new walkout. We can't put it on the ground floor because now that's in the way of an exit route. So we've been very creative in how to kind of address this. We've had to hide, we've had to put laundry service inside a closet, inside a hallway, inside a public corridor. So imagine going inside a public corridor, like a massive hallway, inside going turning left into another hallway, and then finding a closet space there for a washer dryer machine. So you basically have to hide it within a room of another room, which it all has to be fire rated too. So it's a very complex situation there. And at the end of the day, the money you're trying to save on adding for laundry service is now being spent into fire rated service there, or fire rated walls in that case. So we've experimented with that, and I'm not a big fan of it because of the cost doesn't make much difference. So I'd rather have you guys kind of add laundry service into the units itself, because number one thing is it's going to increase your rent potential as well. Private laundry, everyone's going to want that. They don't want to share laundry with their neighbors because of hygienic reasons, and they want to have their own laundry service to themselves, right? So keep that in mind. Either common or private laundry service, one or the other, you have to choose, and that's by building code. So now we're going to move on to the big ticket item here tonight is the 5 to 8 unit conversion project.